can start here, huh? Okay, start the lab. First of all, I'm presenting the virtual chemistry lab. So in that case, before we discussing this one, I think anybody have any idea about the hardness of water? Rajbir, please please unmute the microphone and please tell me. Rajbir, yes?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you mean by hardness of water?
Hardness of water. Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay, anybody from the class? I think it is in the class 11, 12, it is there. Anybody?
Amount of calcium carbonate and magnesium present in water.
Okay. This is called the water hardness.
Water.
Now, now when you do this lab physically, what do you have the idea which type of experiment you have, or which type of style you have followed or you have used physically when you present? Anybody from the class, you use indicator, etc., this type of things. But here we use the stimulator, different, and we can go through it. Before we discussing this one, anybody have any idea about the Shauradip? Please unmute your microphone. Shauradip? Shauradip?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What is the unit we use?
What? Hello? I can't hear you.
Yes, now I represent this video presentation for using PowerPoint. It is visible? Yes, it is visible. Is it visible to you? Okay, yes.
Yes,
If you see,
yes.
give the answer.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, so we start, okay? This is the chemistry lab syllabus and our code is BSc 192. You take one copy and just write down here the code of the lab. This is code is BSc 192. Chemistry lab syllabus. Here we discuss that. The experiments name, more or less 8 experiments are there. We have to perform this experiment using Amrita lab. First of all, first experiment number 1, this is the determination of the hardness of water present in the given sample. Determination of the hardness of water present in the given sample of water, and link is there. So we have to go for the link, and after clicking the link, we have to follow the experiment. Before doing this, we have to make an account in this Amrita Lab also. We'll go for this. Next, practical 2, determination of the alkalinity present in water. You can observe that these two links are same. So according to, if you go for this practical, you can get the chemical parameter for this 4 practicals also. Okay. Next, experiment number 3 is determination of the chemical oxygen demand by titration. Determination of chemical oxygen demand by titration. Next, determination of the pH of different types of water by digital pH meter. Experiment number 5 is determination of the conductance of a given sample of water by digital conductivity meter. Experiment number 6 is determination of the turbidity of different kinds of water. Experiment 7, determination of the viscosity of the solution by viscometer. And this is experiment number 8, chloride ion concentration determination by argentometric method. So these are the main things we have to do. Before we discussing this one, first of all, I am discussed today the determination of the hardness of water present in the given water sample. Okay. First of all, do you have any idea, anybody from the class, do you have any idea how we can experimentally perform the determination of the hardness of water? Anybody? Tisha Bhattacharya? Bapi Mondal, please unmute yourself.
Ma'am, your sound is not
Tisha?
clear.
Yes, please. Please tell me that what is the base, how we can use the hardness of water determination in the laboratory.
Ma'am, your audio is not clear.
Right now, it is clear right now. Yes. By
hardness of
yes.
Ma'am, hardness of water is calculated in milligram per liter. The first method is calculation and the second method is titration, by which we can determine the hardness of water.
Which indicator we are using here? Indicator we are using?
Washing soda.
Washing soda is any indicator? So let us start. This is the one for hardness of water determination. Okay. Procedure, I just here write down the procedure from the stimulation methodology. I will discuss it, then we can go through the link and we will discuss the procedure. First of all, using the stimulation technique, what we should do, determination of hardness of water sample, we have to first select the titrant. There is an option where we have to select the titrant first. Then adjust the speed of the drops from the burette. There is an option. You have to adjust the speed of the drops. Then point 3, adjust the molarity of the titrant. You have to adjust the molarity of the titrant. Then select a definite volume of water sample. Say if you select 10 ml, you can select 20 ml. Result will be different. Then choose the indicator and start the titration. This is vital thing when the color changes from wine red, please, wine red to blue. You observed when you titrating in the stimulation software, you observe that when the color changes to wine red to blue, you click the stop button and note the volume of EDTA used. You click the stop button and note the volume of EDTA used. Then calculate the hardness of water sample in ppm using equation as follows. We have to follow the equation. We will discuss this in when you click this. So these are the main methodology using virtual lab, how we can calculate the hardness of water sample. Don't write down this one. All procedures, everything are mentioned in this virtual lab. You have to make in your copy, and when you submit in the Google Classroom, you have to make the observation table also in that way. Okay. Number of observation, you must write down how many observations you taking. That means you can take the 1, 2, 3 observations. Then after writing this, you have to write down volume of sample in milliliter. You can consider the volume of sample either 10 ml, 20 ml, say 10 ml, 10 ml, 10 ml. You can take. Then write down the burette reading, and burette reading, first of all, initial burette reading, then final burette reading. Initial burette reading, you start from 0 ml, and final burette reading, you start up to which is required for final burette reading, and volume of EDTA in ml. That means say starting from 0 ml and you get the 15 ml. So volume of EDTA should be 15 ml. Starting from 7 ml, you get the 22 ml. So the net volume of the EDTA should be 15 ml. And this is the more or less presentation for the virtual lab. Now we discuss the presentation, how we can go through or log in through the chemistry virtual lab. Is it clear to you? Anybody have any doubt, any question regarding this? Any question regarding this? Yes? Anybody have any questions? Okay.
मैम
Yeah, हाँ, yes.
मैम इसका भी हमें एग्जाम देना पड़ेगा क्या आज?
Exam, हाँ, definitely. You have to give the exam for this. IMCRP में. I will discuss it, okay?
नो मैडम, आपने जो बताया ना कि जो वो चार्ट वाला सिस्टम, तो उसमें हम कैसे करेंगे? हमें तो प्रीपेड बुलेट से घर में लेके आना पड़ेगा।
नहीं, prepared bullet. This is the issue. No, I'm telling you, this is the problem in going for the virtual lab. No, not required prepared. I'll come to this. Okay. So first of all, I have already shared this link to you that our syllabus. If you go through our chemistry lab syllabus, you get the first link. It is observed that HTTP. This is.
Ma'am, where did you share the link?
Yes. I'm just sharing in the PowerPoint presentation now. I'm sharing on. Okay, I come to this point. Okay, you just copy this link. You just copy. When you copy this link, and this is just the presentation. When you copy this link and you put in the Google Chrome, the Amrita lab will be opened. So I'm presenting this one to you. Come. I'm just copying this in the Google Chrome first link, and when you copy this, I get this type of thing. Clear? After copying this link, first link, you get this open virtual lab Amrita. Clear? Is it clear to you? Any doubt, anyone?
Ma'am, can you please share the link in the comment
I will,
box?
yes, I will share this link, okay? I will share this link in the comment box, okay? Okay,
ma'am,
no
thank
problem.
you.
First of all, go through this. How will you log in? Then I will everything, because today is the first day, okay? I will share it. So this is the water analysis determination of chemical parameters. Clicking the link, when you go for the Google Chrome, you get this. Then what you have to do, you have to log in. Clear? You have to log in. Where you must have the mail ID in this. So I'm just write down here. Open. Clear? Any doubt, anyone regarding this? After logging, we get the stimulator. And water analysis of determination of chemical parameter, you get the result that total, there is a theory. There is a theory for the total hardness determination. What is the practical today? Theory of the practical is given here. That means total hardness determination. So this is the practical we can consider. Total hardness, and you get the theory here. Hardness in water is that characteristic which prevents the lathering of soap. You get the idea of the, from that section, temporary or carbonate hardness, permanent or non-carbonate hardness, and also you get the idea of soft, medium, hard, very hard. Okay? And you go for this type of idea about the units of the hardness. That means parts per million is the unit for the hardness. Milligram per liter, this is also the units for the hardness. And there are lots of procedure, Clark's method, degree French method. So you can get the everything for regarding the theory of the hardness, determination of the water hardness. Now, if you consider and if you apply the procedure section, you get the procedure. What I have already presented in the PowerPoint section. Select the titrant, adjust the speed of the drops from the burette, adjust the molarity of the titrant, select a definite volume of water sample, choose the indicator and start the titration. When the color changes from wine red to blue, click the stop button and note the volume of EDTA used. Then calculate the hardness of water sample in ppm using the equation as follows. So you have to consider, you have to use this equation for calculating the total hardness as calcium carbonate in ppm. This is the total hardness we can calculate. That means volume of EDTA into 0.1, molarity of EDTA into 10 to the power 6 divided by volume of sample in ml. Then what we have already discussed in the observations table, that we have to consider the volume of sample, say 10 ml, 10 ml. Then we consider the burette reading. Initial reading say 0, final reading is 7. Initial reading is 7, final reading is 14. So volume of EDTA is 7 ml. Now, using this data, you have to calculate the result, therefore the total hardness of the sample present here, and total hardness of water sample is equal to ppm. Clear how we can get the procedure? Is it clear to you? Any confusion, anybody regarding this? Any question? Any question?
Ma'am, please share the link in the chat box.
I share it. I will share it. Okay.
Oh, sorry,
Lots
ma'am.
of-
Then Ma'am, then I rejoined. I cannot see.
Okay. Now I go through the stimulation, how we can perform the lab in the laboratory. First of all, you use the stimulator. When you use the stimulator, it is we can start water analysis, chemical content. If you go through the select test for hardness, we are using the water, well water. We take well water. Okay. Speed of the titrant is 0.1. Molarity of the titrant is 0.1. Now, if you start this and if you go for this, start this experiment. When you start this experiment, please little bit go for this. You observe that when the color will be blue, you can stop this experiment. When the color will be blue, you stop the experiment. So let us check what happens. Stop the experiment because it is color is blue. Color is blue. Wine red color becomes blue, and this is the procedure. And you get the result. Titrant EDTA, titrant use 2.5 ml, indicator Eurochrome black tea. You get the everything result from the stimulator section. That means volume of the titrant is 10, speed of the titrant is 0.1, molarity of the titrant is 0.01, and result is given here. Titrant EDTA, titrant, how many amounts of titrants are required? 2.5 ml. So indicator is Eurochrome black tea indicator is used here. Am I clear? Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So I am sharing the link, and every you just observe this. When you go through this practical in physically, you use the indicator, you use everything, and you have to put the eye that when the color will be changed from wine red to blue. Wine red to blue. But in that case, we should not go for put the indicator, etc. We should have to adjust the titrant rate. We should have to adjust the volume, etc. If you change the volume, say 10 ml, if you use 20 ml, this should be changed. So this is the result we can observe. Now I am just I just shared the link to you, and you please go for this experiment and try yourself. What happens? You get the data. And first of all, this is I have already shared the link, hardness of water determination. So what you have to do, you have to, yes, we have to perform it now. And after performing the result, you have to write down in the copy, okay, in your copy, and also you upload this in the Google Classroom. I have given the assignment, and you have to submit this tomorrow 5:30. Before tomorrow 5:30, you have to submit this assignment. So I'm just telling you, please log in this and please tell me what happens. Yes, I have already told you, you have to create the account here. So for a trial today, just you go for this and give me the feedback what happens. And I am requesting you should change the different amount. If anybody take 10 ml, 10 ml, 10 ml, you can change, anybody can take 20 ml, 20 ml also. Okay. So please change according to your choice, and titrant speed also.
Ma'am, the site is asking for degree scholar and campus. So is that all?
Hi, so this is the site. No, this is the link. You
Hello,
just
ma'am.
click. Yes, please.
Yeah, ma'am. Tell me.
Get this, na? Get this, na? Okay. Just log in. Simple login. Okay.
Yes.
Hmm.
Okay.
After logging, please give me the feedback. What happens here? In the chat box, you should write down.
मैम कैंपस में तो यहाँ पे हमारा मतलब सिटी का कोई भी सिटी दे सकते हैं क्या?
हाँ, दे सकते हो आप. Pritam Rajak asked me that after titration, what to do? After titration, you get the result, na? When you go for the titration and calculate the hardness of water, what you should do? You get the number of volume used by the EDTA, and you put the volume of the EDTA in the calculation section. What is the value of the ppm? Because from the virtual lab, you get the procedure also. Yes, logged in. Abhadip Das writing logged in successfully. Okay.
मैम यहाँ पे बीटेक का दो मतलब स्ट्रीम है, एक कंप्यूटर साइंस एंड इंजीनियरिंग और दूसरा कंप्यूटर साइंस एंड इंजीनियरिंग आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस. हमको मतलब फर्स्ट वाला या फिर सेकंड वाला सिलेक्ट करें फिर?
This is your choice, no problem. According to this, there is no issue. Okay. हाँ, ऑलरेडी कुछ स्टूडेंट तो ऑलरेडी लॉग्ड इन भी हो गया. ठीक है, ये आपका चॉइस है. ओके.
लॉगिन करने के बाद कहाँ से जाए?
लॉगिन हो गया आपने?
हाँ.
लिंक लॉग्ड इन. अच्छा, लॉगिन होने के बाद क्या आ रहा है आपका? देखो,
वो तो बहुत सारा टैप है.
लॉगिन होने है, लॉगिन अब जब बिफोर ऐसे टाइप का कुछ आ रहा है ना आपका लॉगिन करने के बाद.
हाँ.
आ गया क्या? अच्छा, मैं इधर देखो, मैं लॉग आ गया ना. लॉगिन हुआ. ए विंडो आ गया आपका सबके पास?
हाँ, विंडो आ
गया ना. वेरी गुड. देखो सब अच्छा ओके, सबके पास आ गया ये विंडो. क्लियर? ओके.
मैम लॉगिन नहीं हो पा रहा है.
अच्छा.
हेलो मैम.
हाँ,
लॉगिन नहीं हो रहा है. देखो,
लॉगिन तो होना चाहिए. लॉगिन तो हो जाएगा. ट्राई करो, हो जाएगा. ठीक है, हो गया तो ना, दो स्टूडेंट के तो हो गया.
हाँ मैम.
ट्राई करो. ठीक है.
ठीक है
मैडम. ये पासवर्ड से लॉगिन हो गया.
अच्छा, आप लोग जो भी मैसेज करना है ना चैट बॉक्स में लिखो. ठीक है. अच्छा, लॉगिन हो गया. ठीक है. देखो, यू जस्ट फॉलो. लॉगिन होने के बाद वाटर एनालिसिस. अब मैं विंडो दिखा रहा है आपको. ठीक है, क्या दिखा रहा है इसको? ए विंडो आ रहा है आफ्टर लॉगिन.
हाँ मैम.
Please off the microphone and write down in the chat box. Please ऑफ द माइक्रोफोन एंड राइट डाउन इन द चैट बॉक्स. लॉगिन होने के बाद क्या आ रहा है, ऐसे टाइप का आ रहा है ना विंडो. आ गया, सबका आ गया?
नहीं नहीं मैम, लॉगिन के बाद बीटेक, बैचलर ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी ऑफ साइंस ऐसा कुछ आ रहा है. मैथमेटिक्स फॉर इंटेलिजेंस ऐसा आ रहा है.
बट बहुत सारे लोग लिख रहे हैं सबका आ गया. यस मैम, यस
हम
मैम.
लिंक भी गलत क्लिक कर सकता हूँ मैं. मतलब वो अमृत एजुकेशन ही था शायद. मतलब सर्च क्या करें मैडम, पहले आप ये बता दो. मैंने अमृता विश्वविद्यापीठम ये सब लिखा
नहीं,
था.
डोंट, यू जस्ट लॉग इन द लिंक. आई हैव जो चैट बॉक्स में पुट किया ना, उसको लिंक को गूगल क्रोम में लिख के करो. ठीक है,
मैम लॉगिन हो
यही
गया.
तो है. हो गया.
मैम लॉगिन होने के बाद ये नहीं आ रहा है मैम, दूसरा चीज आ रहा है.
अच्छा, ये विंडो आया सबका?
Yes,
नो
sir,
मैम
मेरा आ
ये
गया.
नहीं आ रहा है मैम. यहाँ पे देख रहा, यहाँ पे लिख रहा है मैम, वर्चुअल लैब एट अमृता विश्वविद्यापीठम, बायोटेक्नोलॉजी एंड बायोकेमिकल इंजीनियरिंग, केमिकल साइंसेज, फिजिकल साइंस, कंप्यूटर साइंस, मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग, साइबर सिक्योरिटी, सब लिख रहा है मैम.
दिस इज, देखो दिस इज द लिंक. हम लोग कौन सा लिंक शेयर किया आपको? ये लिंक है आपका. ठीक है, कॉपी. यही तो दिखा रहा है आफ्टर लॉगिंग.
Yes, मैम.
ठीक है. आई प्लीज यूज
Yes,
द
ma'am,
लिंक
आ गया,
गिवन.
ma'am. आ गया मैम.
जो लिंक दिया उसमें यूज करो. ठीक है, देखो एक बार क्या हो, जब लिंक आएगा ओपन करने के बाद, दिस इज द सिचुएशन यू कैन गेट आफ्टर लॉगिन. ठीक है,
यस मैम आ गया.
ओके. देन गो फॉर द, क्या क्या है, टू डिटरमाइन द केमिकल पैरामीटर्स सच एज हार्डनेस, एल्काइलिनिटी, केमिकल ऑक्सीजन डिमांड. ये सब हमारा डिफरेंट प्रैक्टिकल में है. तो टुडे वी डिस्कस द हार्डनेस ऑफ वाटर. ओके, टुडे वी डिस्कस द हार्डनेस ऑफ वाटर. When you discuss the hardness of water, you go for the procedure section. When you go, click the procedure, क्या देखोगे? Procedure में click करने के बाद you get the every step by step procedures are there. You observe this? Okay. Every step you observe this? Yes. Aparna, write down. Yes. You go for, first of all, in your copy, this is the procedure. Under the chemical contents, select the test hardness, alkalinity of or COD. So determination of hardness of water sample, इसके लिए क्या है? Determination of hardness of water sample के लिए जो है link,
मैम खुल गया मैम. उसके बाद बताइए मैम, उसके बाद क्या मतलब सिमुलेटर या फिर असाइनमेंट मिल जाए?
नहीं, before we discuss the simulator, we go for the procedure section. Procedure, before we discuss this, and procedure.
ओके.
देखो ऊपर में procedure लिखा है.
हाँ.
Yes.
फुल
आ गया?
इलाबोरेट करके लिखा है. हाँ आ गया.
हाँ आ गया. प्रोसीड्यूर आने के बाद क्या आएगा? प्रोसीड्यूर को क्लिक करो. When you click this procedure, you get the result that determination of hardness of water sample.
हार्डनेस ऑफ वाटर
Select.
सैंपल. यस मैम.
है. फर्स्ट पार्ट क्या है? Select the titrant. ठीक है. You in your copy you should write down this full procedure. Select the titrant. Second is adjust the speed of the drops from the burette.
यस.
Third, adjust the molarity of the titrant. Please off the microphone. Off the microphone, please. Adjust the molarity of the titrant. Select a definite volume of water sample. Choose the indicator and start the titration. When color changes from wine red to blue, click the stop button and note the volume of EDTA used. Then calculate the hardness of water sample in ppm using the equation as follows. Am I clear? So what we have to calculate? We have to, using this, we have to select the different sample. Volume of sample is given. Volume of sample for what? Anybody from the class? What do you mean by volume of sample in ml? Volume of sample for what? Volume of water sample. Volume of water sample. Volume of sample means volume of water sample. Clear? Please put on, anybody please just unmute yourself. Anybody from the class, please unmute yourself. Okay. You just take the volume of sample means volume of water sample. We take the well water. You can change the different water. If you go through this stimulation, you can change this one. Clear? Is it clear to you? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you can come to this part, water analysis determination. As for example, volume of the sample in ml, 10 ml, say 10 ml. Initial and final reading. Initial reading, we are the basic difference, we are performing it in the virtual laboratory. So initial reading 0, it is insignificant. We have to calculate the titrant and it is the value say 2.7 ml or 3.7 ml. You put here 2.7 ml or 3.7 ml. Then calculate the volume of EDTA. Say यहाँ पे आपका final volume में result आ रहा है 2.5. Second step में 2.5. So इसका average क्या आएगा 2.5. Clear? So volume of EDTA is 2.5. Now, how will you calculate the total hardness of the sample is, how will you calculate? The formula is given, volume of EDTA. Volume of EDTA क्या है? मैं क्या बोला? Say 2.5. So put down 2.5, then 0.1. Molarity of the EDTA, कितना लेके कर रहे हो molarity? This is given in the stimulation purpose. And give the 10 to the power 6 and volume of sample you are using using well water, say it is 10 ml, and you can calculate the value in ppm. This is the basic idea how we can virtually calculate the water hardness. But a experiment ka sabse important part this is, you have to mention that when you use the ureochrome black tea indicator, when you use the ureochrome black tea, which indicator you are using in this purpose? Anybody please tell me which indicator you are using for this purpose? Not black tea, it is full form is ureochrome black tea, and color change using stimulation you have to identify the color change, and color change will be from wine red to blue, and you get the result. Am I clear?
Yes, miss.
So I am getting the go to the stimulator section and we will discuss it. I am just repeating it. It will be better for you when you everybody open the window. Everybody open up the window. Yes, yes, please. Yes. Acha, okay. So we go for the stimulator. When you go for the stimulator, it will be loading and we get the result. Water analysis determined. We consider the hardness. When you go for the alkalinity, we change it. If you consider COD, we change it. This is the situation. And experiment, you observe that this experimental setting also changing. If you consider alkalinity, it is changing. If you consider COD, this is the situation. And if you consider the hardness, it is the observation. Now say we are using the tap water. What happens? We change the titrate. We use the tap water. Tap water के लिए क्या होगा? We want to calculate volume of titrate is 10. speed of titrant is 0.1, molarity of the titrant, it is given. Because if you go through this section, you understand that procedure section में क्या बोला? When you calculate this, molarity of EDTA. So molarity of EDTA, you can get the data of the molarity of the EDTA from the stimulator section. Am I clear? Is it clear to you? So say for the tap water, molarity of the titrant is 0.101. It is given. We start the experiment. Start. You get the result. When you stop it in a particular time when it is blue. You stop it in the time when it is blue. So you can choose any of the option to performing this methodology. Either you can use tap water, either you can use other well water, etc. And you can perform this experiment. Is it clear to you? Any doubt, anyone? Anything else? Any question? Okay, so I am requesting you to perform the practical right now. Asking you to perform this practical.
Ma'am, used titrant is 1.5 milliliter.
Yes, please.
Used titrant is 1.5 milliliter.
Hey, you get from this where? Please give me the result.
Ma'am, used titrant is 1.5 milliliter.
है कैसे यूज किया आपने? बताओ, ये बताओ आप मेरे को एक बार.
मैम टेस्ट हार्डनेस का titrate tap water, volume of titrate 10, a speed of titrant 0.1, molarity of titrant 0.01, and the result is ma'am titrant EDTA. Titrant yes, titrant used is 1.5 milliliter.
Okay.
And indicator is EDTA, chrome black.
Already hardness of water, when you determine indicator is Eurochrome, this black. Is the indicator black tea. Yes. Clear? Correct. So if you just go for it, you can change the volume of titrate. Say if you consider the volume of titrate, if you go for, I'm just changing this one, 12 volume of titrate, what will be the situation? You can just apply it and you can get the result. So this is the way you have to perform the.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I will change. Can I change the molarity also? The molarity will remain same.
Yeah. Yes. Please chat box में post करो क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा sound आ रहा है इसलिए chat box में लिखो. हाँ. Any question you have write down the chat box please. Acha, you are posting the result also. It is not required right now. I will just tell you. You put in the Google Classroom. क्या लिखा मैम? Can I change the molarity? Yes, you can change it. Yes, you can get the different result. There is no problem. This is why trial and error method. We have to applying this. You can go for the particular result. Okay. So this is your choice, but you have to. Yes. Ma'am, I did with the tap water. Yes, definitely you can did with the tap water, but you have to, this is very important, you have to take at least 3 to 5 readings. Observation table जो है, you have to calculate at least 3 to 5 readings. Am I clear? Yes, I will share.
मैम अलग अलग टाइट्रेट से करेंगे?
Yes, you can. This is also possibility. You can, but better if you use the EDTA and Ediochrome black tea as indicator. Better, because this is in the, when you perform, actually this is the virtual lab, and you know this thing, chemistry, this is a fully experimental subject. Virtual lab performance is really that. That is why I am telling you that you use Ediochrome black tea indicator and EDTA. Okay, this is the complex symmetry. Yes, please.
एक बार अगर मैम हम वेल वाटर से ले लिए, फिर दूसरे बार के वो सेम करेंगे?
एक बार आप चैट बॉक्स में मैसेज करो बेटर है, यू राइट डाउन इन द चैट बॉक्स. I will share the code for Google Classroom. Okay. Tomorrow you have to submit the assignment. When volume of titrate is increased to 12, then titrant used is 3 ml. Okay, no problem.
मैम ये जो ये टेस्ट ट्यूब मैम सिमुलेटर में आएगा ना, मतलब टाइट्रेशन हम सिमुलेटर में करेंगे?
Exactly, you have to perform this. Actually, all instrument they are given, and you observe this na, they already put the indicator also. When you perform the laboratory experiment, what we have to observe this, we have to perform get the add the indicator from external source, but here it is already given. You have to measure the, you have to observe the color change. So the most important thing is color change, wine red to blue, and get the date. Observe this. Clear? Yes, oh, Tisha Bhattacharya, write down what will be the volume of the sample. You can take 10 ml, 20 ml, anything, 15 ml, this is your choice. You can take this and you can change the volume also, and you can get the different
मैम वहाँ पे जाके जब मैंने वर्चुअल लैब में टैप किया तो उसके बाद फिर से लॉगिन करने के लिए बोल रहा है, मैं फिर से लॉगिन करूँ?
लॉगिन, हाँ फिर से करो, देखो क्या दिखा रहा है आपको, ठीक है, एक बार फिर से करके देखो क्या बोल रहा है. So you can change the volume of the sample. Volume of the sample means volume of the water sample. So we can take the volume of, when you perform this laboratory, a question aaya tha, ma'am, what I will take the 10 ml or 15, 20 ml, etc. You can take 10 ml, 11 ml, 20 ml. This is your choice. Okay, but virtually you get the result. But when you perform this experiment in the laboratory, we take 15 ml water sample. And then we can take the indicator, etc. We perform this experiment. You can go. Ma'am, once again explain the assignment. अच्छा, assignment क्या है? आज आप लोग जो lab, what are you performing this lab? You determine the hardness of water using virtual lab. So this is your, you have to write down your result. You have to write down the theory, the procedure and result in your assignment section. Okay, as a lab notebook, you have writing in the class 11, 12, same thing, you have to apply and load it in the Google Classroom. Am I clear?
Hello, ma'am. I have a
Hello?
question. I was registered.
आप एक काम करो, आप इसमें लिखो, चैट में, चैट बॉक्स में लिखो, हैं? चैट बॉक्स में लिखो, better, it will be. Aparna, write down, ma'am, I am not able to change the volume, speed or molarity of the titrate. Okay, okay, I will just give the answer. What, say as for example, this is the stimulation section. Okay, we go through this and come to this part. You change this. Say volume of titrate, you want to change. What is the volume of titrate? This is 11. Speed of titrate you want to change, 0.3. Molarity of the titrant 0.0, this is now 0.03, and I think you get the data that how we can change this. If for the first time we use tap water, then we can change it for second observation. No, Pritam, you have to, Pritam एक question किया था, if you use the, say if you, this is another important part, if you use only tap water, you have to take the 5 reading using tap water. If you use well water, you have to take the reading with the well water. Please remember this one. Okay, because in the laboratory when you perform physically this experiment, what you have to do, you have to take this water sample, and after taking the water sample you have to take the same source water sample, and after getting the average you can go through it. Yes, you can submit in the normal copy also. There is no hard and fast rule, but experiment should be there, date should be there, result should be there. Okay. I think over here, acha, you change your mail ID.
मैम ये तो हम तो भरा ही नहीं सकते मैम। वॉल्यूम ऑफ टाइट्रेट 10 ही हो चुका है, उसको हम आगे पीछे कुछ नहीं कर सकते अभी।
क्यों? You are not changing. Yes. What is your question? Volume of titrate क्या है? 10 ना? If you start with 10, then if you use 11, if you use 12, and what is the situation? You get the different result. Acha, I gave the IMCRP exam. Oh, okay. One thing I have to discuss here. I am just sharing the lab exam code. You have to go for the lab exam also. Before 4:30, you have to perform the exam. You have to give the exam. And exam code is Google Classroom code I am sharing here. Classroom. Code. I just share it.
मैम एग्जाम कितना बजे तक स्टार्ट होगा?
किसका स्टार्ट हो गया? 2:30 से लैब का एग्जाम ना, 2:30 to 4:30.
ओके ओके।
I have shared the exam code for Google Classroom. Okay. Because tomorrow, this is the last date. You can submit. Tomorrow is the due date. Achha, which part of the we have to note down in our copy? You have go for the. I'm just representing here also. Water analysis determination. You go to the procedure section. Okay. After writing the, you just log out is the theory you can get. The question is how we can write down the theory. Please say which part of the theory. This is the theory portion you can get from this website. Water analysis determination of chemical parameter. Objective you have to write down as to determine the chemical hardness of water using EDTA titration. Then write down this theory of the total hardness, what I have already discussed with you. What is theory is there. What do you mean by the total hardness? What is temporary or carbonate hardness? What is permanent or non-carbonate hardness, etc. This type of things. And for the viva, in the exam time, you have to perform this. And you have to go through the milligram per liter strength. What is the parts per million unit? Everything. What is the chemical equation responsible for this? What is the structure of idiochrome black tea indicator? Why the color changes from wine red to blue? Everything is mentioned here. So you have to perform in that way. Clear?
Ma'am, we have to write all these things.
Not all these things. You have to write. You can write down the theory. Theory में क्या लिखोगे? You can start from this section.
Observation till.
Just this theory. Just this theory. You have to write down this. Total hardness. First one. Temporary or carbonate hardness not required, but you must read this section. Okay. This is not required. Permanent or non-carbonate. Don't write. Then you come to the part. Unit. What is the unit of the hardness? And you write down chemical equation. After
write the unit of hardness.
Exactly. After that this one you go through the procedure section. Procedure में क्या लिखो? Every step of the procedure. Okay. This is easier for your exam. Then write down total hardness and last of all calculation, observation and calculation. Simple thing. Okay.
Ma'am, how many observations we have to do to?
I am already minimum 3, maximum 5. And if you are much more interested, after finishing 5 observation with say 3 observation with the well water, you can take 3 observation with the tap water also. You can take 3 observation with another water. What is the different water options are there? You can go for it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Indrajit Roy, write down exam successful. That means okay. आप लोग lab exam दे दिया क्या? Do you have the give the lab exam?
Yes, ma'am.
You after giving the lab exam.
दे दिया.
Okay, मैंने ये भी change किया था. सुबह में जो theory का code था ना, I have changed the theory का code, theory exam code. This is valid up to 4:30. Please give this exam also. Clear?
मैम वो भी दे दिया.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. हाँ. Now you है बताओ.
Sorry, repeat again.
Which one? This experiment?
हाँ ma'am.
Okay, I will repeat it. Okay.
Hardness of water conventionally expressed in.
मैम कलर कौन सा चाहिए? ब्लू ना?
ये तो बोल मेंशन कर दिया ना. यही तो इम्पोर्टेंट है.
मतलब मुझे इतने टाइम बाद बूंदे गिरने लगा.
क्यों बूंदे गिरने लगा? क्योंकि आपने टाइट्रेंट का जो रेट लिखा रखा है वो दैट मे बी वेरी स्लो.
हाँ वही मतलब इतने टाइम के बाद में बूंद गिर रहा है.
ओके.
हेलो मैम.
यस बताओ. यस प्लीज.
हाँ मैम ब्लैक हो गया.
ब्लैक तो नहीं होना चाहिए, ब्लू होना चाहिए. ब्लू. You just this is the caution. You must cautious. Okay. अभी तो experiment. You just go through it. You give the trial. And एक particular color लेके आए थे ना blue. This is blue color. This should be blue color. When the black color generated
from black tea.
When you use Idiochrome black tea, first of all the color changes to wine red to blue. So you have to take the data when the color is blue. Am I clear?
Okay.
Okay. You try your own ways. You can get the result.
Okay,
so
thank you.
Okay. So I'm going through this section, and ma'am, after submission, will I need it anymore? No. मैम कितनी वैल्यू डालनी है? सोनू शर्मा राइटिंग, कितनी वैल्यू डालनी है? मिनिमम 3. Okay. So I'm just telling you and repeat this section.
मैम किसी को एक को क्या कांस्टेंट रखना है या फिर सबको ही चेंज करना है? मतलब टाइट्रेंट को, अगर टाइट्रेट को मैं अगर बढ़ाऊं तो टाइट्रेंट
हाँ.
को घटा दूं या फिर मतलब एक कांस्टेंट रहेगा या फिर तीनों को ही मैं चेंज करूंगा?
कर सकते हो
आप
तीनों,
मुझे
बट
बताएं.
हाँ, this is, you can change it, but as if when say water taken value, कितना water लेना है? अब पहले 10 लिया, इसके बाद 20, don't go for that. 10, 10, 10, 15, 15, 15. This is better. This is better. Can you change the rate of titration for each observation, or we have to keep it? No. When you take the observation, say for 3 readings you are taking, you should not change. Say for, I am telling you, say for well water, you are going for the well water. Well water के लिए जब कर रहे हो, say आपका titrate का एक particular value आप fix करके रखा है. But different water के लिए, say tap water, you take another value. But when you take the tap water, you make it constant. This is the result. Okay. I think Rajat, you get your own answer. Google Classroom code I have already shared. I think Radha Krishna, write down that Google Classroom code. I have already shared it. Okay. You just go for the chat box. I think this is the class code. Yes, yes. बताओ.
हाँ मैडम, बता रहे थे गूगल क्लासरूम में कौन कौन लिखे सर वो सबमिट करें?
गूगल क्लासरूम में आप लिखोगे सिर्फ ऑब्जर्वेशन टेबल. ओके, ऑब्जर्वेशन टेबल, एक्सपेरिमेंट ऑब्जेक्टिव लिखोगे, ठीक है? एम ऑफ द एक्सपेरिमेंट लिखोगे, इसके बाद लिखोगे ऑब्जर्वेशन टेबल एंड कैलकुलेशन. बट आपका जो हार्ड कॉपी होगा, हार्ड कॉपी में थ्योरी, प्रोसीड्यूर सब कुछ लिख के रखना. एम आई क्लियर? इज इट क्लियर?
आज ही.
हेलो.
हाँ मैडम, वो आज ही टुडे लिखना है?
नहीं, tomorrow you have to submit. Before 5:30 you have to submit. That means you have to, what you should write down? You should write down the practical experiment name. Then you go through the observation table. एक observation table बनाना है, calculation करना है. Okay? और तो कुछ नहीं है. Get this?
ओके मैम.
Okay.
ओके मैडम.
Okay.
गूगल क्लासरूम पे बस इतना ही डालना है और बाकी वो तो सारा नोट्स
इतना ही डालना है. हाँ, और कुछ नहीं है. सर सर आपका कैन यू रिपीट द प्रोसीड्योर वंस मोर? आपका पास है कुछ? यू कैन रिपीट दिस प्रोसीड्योर राइटिंग. अच्छा, आप एक बार प्रोसीड्योर बच्चों को रिपीट कर दो. इफ एनीबॉडी हैव एनी डाउट, दे कैन रिपीट दिस.
Yes, ma'am. First, we select the titrant.
धीरे.
First, we select the titrant. Second, adjust the speed of the drops from the burette. Second, adjust the speed of the drops from the burette. Third, adjust the normality of titrant. Third point, adjust the normality of titrant. Next, select a definite volume of water sample. जहाँ पे अपन वेल वाटर भी यूज कर सकते हैं, सी वाटर भी है इसके अंदर और वे टैप वाटर भी है. चूज द इंडिकेटर एंड स्टार्ट द टाइट्रेशन. इंडिकेटर नेम इज एरियोक्रोम ब्लैक टी. When color change from wine red to blue, click the stop button. When color change from wine red to blue, click stop button and note the volume of additive used. Wine red to blue color में change होने में कितना ml कंज्यूम हुआ अपना additive, उसका वॉल्यूम यहाँ से अपने को नोट करना है. Then calculate the hardness of water sample in ppm using equation followed. प्रोसीजर फिर से वापस से. select the titrant. फर्स्ट हम सबसे पहले select the titrant. Second, adjust the speed of drops from the burette. Third, adjust the normality of titrant. Fourth, select a definite normality. Sorry, ma'am. Select a definite volume of water sample. Next, choose the indicator and start the titration. Choose the indicator and start the titration. Next, when color change from wine red to blue, click stop button and note the volume of EDTA used. Next, then calculate the hardness of water sample in ppm. Hello, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Sir, Abhi, because I just want to introduce another thing. Who are interested regarding this, just lab me how we can explain this in our chemistry lab. Please explain this physically, not virtually. Please, what we have already done in the experiment. When this situation is over, we can perform this in the chemistry lab. So sir will explain this everything. You just learn from sir what we are doing.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, explain.
And determination of object है determination of present in given sample of water. Object है determination of the hardness of the water in given sample of water. केमिकल रिक्वायरमेंट है इसमें कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट स्टैंडर्ड सॉल्यूशन होता है अपना, ईडीटी सॉल्यूशन। नेक्स्ट है यहाँ पे जो ईडीटी सॉल्यूशन बनाया जाएगा वो डाई सोडियम ईडीटी सॉल्यूशन बनाया जाता है। इसके नेक्स्ट है एरियोक्रोम ब्लैक टी, इंडिकेटर है इसका। ग्लासवेयर है जो ब्यूरेट, पीपेट, ड्रॉपर, इंडिकेटर बॉटल्स। सबसे पहले फर्स्ट वी टेक 10 ml सैंपल ऑफ स्टैंडर्ड वाटर। कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट का स्टैंडर्ड वाटर होता है, उस 10 ml कॉनिकल फ्लास्क में लेंगे। 2 से 3 ml बफर सॉल्यूशन ऐड करेंगे। बफर सॉल्यूशन अमोनियम क्लोराइड प्लस एच, इन दोनों को मिलकर बनाया जाता है। इसका मेन रोल होता है अपना जो रिएक्शन जो होगा उसका पीएच मेंटेन करना।
So here we have not put any
drops add
buffer. Hello sir. Hello. Yes sir.
Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am.
है बताइए सर, बताइए। हाँ, अब आप बफर सॉल्यूशन थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन कर दो, कैसे बफर सॉल्यूशन बनाते हैं।
NH4OH। हाँ मैम,
है वो थोड़ा बच्चों को एक्सप्लेन कर दीजिए।
1 लीटर अमोनिया बफर सॉल्यूशन बनाने के लिए 70 ग्राम अमोनियम क्लोराइड का वेट ले लेते हैं और 300 से 74 ml अमोनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड ऐड करके इसका वॉल्यूम 1 लीटर में मेकअप करते हैं। इसके बाद में जो सैंपल प्रिपेयर होगा बफर सॉल्यूशन का, इसका जो मेन रोल होता है जो रिएक्शन का जो पीएच मेंटेन करना। जो अपना पीएच इसका अप्रोक्स 8 to 10 के लगभग होता है पीएच इसका रिएक्शन की पीरियड के अंदर, जो अपना इसका मेंटेन करना होता है। इसमें जो इसके बाद में अपने को जो कॉनिकल फ्लास्क के अंदर स्टैंडर्ड हार्ड वाटर लेंगे, उसमें 2 से 3 ml बफर सॉल्यूशन ऐड करना है एंड 1-2 ड्रॉप्स ईबीटी इंडिकेटर ऐड करना है। ईबीटी फॉर एरियोक्रोम ब्लैक टी इंडिकेटर। इस मिक्सर का कलर वाइन रेड होगा। वाइन रेड कलर को ब्यूरेट के अंदर ईडीटी सॉल्यूशन फिल करके रखेंगे, उससे अपन ड्रॉप टू ड्रॉप ऐड करेंगे। वाइन रेड कलर चेंज इनटू द ब्लू कलर द एंड पॉइंट ऑफ द रिएक्शन। जहां पे वाइन रेड कलर ब्लू में चेंज हो जाएगा वो अपना रिएक्शन का एंड पॉइंट होगा, वो अपने को नोट करना है। ये अपने को 3 टाइम रिपीट करना है, 3 या 4 टाइम स्टैंडर्ड हार्ड वाटर से। ये इससे अपन ईडीटी को स्टैंडर्डाइज करेंगे। सेकंड प्रोसीजर अपना टैप वाटर हो सकता है या वेल वाटर हो सकता है, या अपन सिंपल जो भी वाटर यूज करते हैं वो यूज कर सकते हैं। उसमें से अपन सैंपल लेंगे, उस सैंपल के अंदर वापस से 2-3 ml अमोनिया बफर ऐड करेंगे, 1-2 ड्रॉप्स ईबीटी इंडिकेटर ऐड करेंगे और ब्यूरेट से ईडीटीए की ड्रॉप्स ड्रॉप टू ड्रॉप ऐड करते हुए वाइन रेड टू ब्लू कलर चेंज करना है। अपने को ब्लू कलर जैसे ही आएगा इसका अपने को रीडिंग नोट करना है। ये अपना इस रीडिंग को नोट करने के बाद में कैलकुलेशन करना पड़ेगा। जो फर्स्ट जो स्टैंडर्डाइज किया गया उससे अपने को V1 वॉल्यूम प्राप्त हुआ और जो सेकंड अपना जो सिंपल वाटर लिया, वो अपना V2 वॉल्यूम होगा, तो V2 अपॉन V1 इंटू 1000, यहाँ से अपने को हार्डनेस ऑफ टोटल ऑफ हार्डनेस प्राप्त होगी। हेलो,
यस सर।
टोटल हार्डनेस प्राप्त करने के लिए V2 अपॉन V1 इंटू 1000 करना है। V1 वॉल्यूम स्टैंडर्ड हार्ड वाटर से लेना है, और V2 जो सेकेंड अपना टैप वाटर या वेल वाटर जो भी अपन यूज करेंगे उससे अपने को लेना है, और इंटू 1000 करना है, तो अपना जो हार्डनेस है वो टोटल ppm के अंदर निकलेगा। हेलो,
यस सर, हाँ हाँ सर प्रेजेंट है, बताइए सर।
हाँ मैम, इसके बाद में जो भी अपना रिएक्शन होगा इस प्रोसीजर को 2-3 टाइम रिपीट करेंगे जब तक कि अपना कॉन्कोडेंट रीडिंग नहीं आ जाता है। ये अपन इस प्रोसीजर को सिंपल टैप वाटर्स के लिए फॉलो कर सकते हैं। सिंपल जो अपना अलग अलग डिफरेंट वाटर होता है उसके लिए अलग अलग लेते हैं। जो अपना सबसे बेस्ट क्वालिटी का वाटर है जो 0 to 60 ppm का
हाँ।
होता है, जो वो होता है। उसके बाद में 60 से 120 ppm का जो वाटर होता है, जो अपना उसकी जो हार्डनेस है वो मीडियम होती है। और जो यदि
सर,
वाटर का, हाँ मैम,
सर और एक क्वेश्चन है, आप प्लीज लिसन दिस वन। व्हेन यू गो कैलकुलेट द वाटर हार्डनेस इन आवर laboratory in the, this is the area Rajasthan Chomu, the water quality is very good, and most of the cases we observed, sir, what is the result we observed in the most of the cases when you go for this? I think you have the idea. Please tell them this one.
in the Rajasthan most of the water is maximum fluoride case, but our campus UEM is a very good location. Their water hardness is 70 to 80 ppm. जो हमारा यूएम कैंपस है वहाँ का जो वाटर का हार्डनेस है वो 70 से 80 ppm है, जो कि जयपुर का सबसे बेस्ट क्वालिटी का वाटर है वहाँ पे। और जो अपना मिनिमम यानी सॉफ्ट हार्डनेस है वहाँ का, और जो यदि वाटर की हार्डनेस 60 से 120 आ रहा है तो मीडियम हार्ड वाटर होगा, और यदि 120 से 180 हार्डनेस आ रहा है, 120 टू 80, 120 टू 180 ppm यदि हार्डनेस आता है तो अपना हार्ड वाटर है, जहाँ पे अपन इसको सॉफ्ट करने के लिए आरओ वगैरह यूज करते हैं इसके लिए। फिर मैक्सिमम हार्ड वाटर यूज करने से अपनी बॉडी में साइड इफेक्ट होते हैं। हार्डनेस है जो कि ये 2 टाइप की होती है, एक तो टेम्परेरी हार्डनेस होती है जो कैल्शियम और मैग्नीशियम की कार्बोनेट एंड बाइकार्बोनेट आयन की वजह से होती है, और जो सेकंड होती है जो परमानेंट हार्डनेस होती है जो कैल्शियम और मैग्नीशियम की सल्फाइड और क्लोराइड आयन की वजह से होती है। टेम्परेरी हार्डनेस को वाटर को बॉईल करके रिमूव किया जा सकता है, बट परमानेंट हार्डनेस को वाटर को बॉईल करने से भी रिमूव नहीं किया जा सकता, ये हमेशा उसके अंदर रहती है।
Okay, thank you, sir. And you have you have any queries, any questions? You can ask me right now. Any queries, anybody, anything? Yes, everybody perform the experiment. Everybody perform the experiment. Yes, okay. So please share some results also. Few results. I'm waiting for you. Please share some results also.
Ma'am,
for the
my titrant value is 2.5 ml.
Okay,
Ma'am, can you
okay.
explain what to do after this?
Titrant value is 2.5. Oh, okay. I'm explaining this one. Titrant value 2.5, ना?
Yes, ma'am.
तो volume of EDTA कितना लेके किया था आपने? What is the volume of EDTA?
10.
No, volume of sample 10, na? You are taking volume of sample
Oh, sorry,
10.
ma'am.
And
Sorry.
this is EDTA is 2.5.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
EDTA is 2.5. Then put this, and molarity of EDTA is given. A simple thing, simple lab procedure. Because when you perform in the laboratory, it is much more difficult to perform this. Okay.
Yeah.
Am I clear to you? Any doubt, any question, anybody, anything else? Is it clear? अच्छा, And last thing I'm doing here, I think anybody have any doubt regarding lab? Okay, volume of sample water is what? 15 ml. No problem. That means 15 should be split into 15, 15, 15. Very good. Full form of EDTA. You please give me ethylene. क्या है EDTA? बताओ. Anybody from the class?
Ma'am, Eurochrome.
No, Eurochrome black.
Ethylene diamine tetrachloride amine, like that only.
Ethylene diamine tetraacetate.
Tetraacetate.
No chlorine is there. Anybody can give the answer why EDTS is using the complexometric titration? Because it has the lots of huge binding sites are there. How many binding sites in the EDTA present? EDTA has 6 binding sites. Okay. And you are right now in the theory, you are going for the crystal field theory. This is a very, we need to write the details of our practical copy and share the image in the Google Classroom. Yes. Yes. This is the result.
Can you share the Google Classroom link?
Link, I have shared the code now already. You just join the code.
Ma'am, I have missed it.
Okay. This is the code. Okay. Tomorrow you can submit it. No problem. Tomorrow 5:30 is there. Okay, you can submit this. You can give the exam. And tomorrow I will, for the Google CFT, I will send you just in your WhatsApp group or any student group, I will send you the, right now I am sending you in the chat box, the crystal field theory, 3-dimensional few link. You can visualize the 3-dimensional diagram. I'm just sharing in the chat box. You can go through it. Please off your microphone, please. This is the video link. One video link is this. This is one link for CFT. Another link is three-dimensional viewpoint of d orbitals in CFT. This in short, can you explain the procedure of the experiment? I have, I think I have already mentioned it. We have to just send the procedure observation hand. This is okay. So I'm just explain this procedure. Water analysis section. Okay. The procedure is given. A determination of hardness of water samples. Select the titrant. You have to select titrant. Select करना है. Adjust the speed of the drops from the burette. Adjust the molarity of the titrant. Select a definite volume of water sample. Choose the indicator and start the titration. Then, when color changes from wine red to blue, click the stop button and note the volume of EDTA used. So I am writing here that we go through the stimulator section. When you go through the stimulator section, you observe that this is the situation. Say hardness, we determine hardness. For well water, we determine volume of titrate is 10. I am taking 10. Speed of the titrant is 0.1. Okay. Molarity of the titrant is 0.1. After taking this, you start this. Titration start. When the color, this wine red color changes into the different colors, say 0.3, 0.4, titrant used is given and color also changing. When this is blue, we stop this titration and we note down the value. Clear? Is it clear, Kaustav? Kaustav, is it clear? Kaustav Roy? Okay, write down yes, ma'am. Okay, okay. So this is the situation. And you go through that. When it is 2.7, its color becomes blue. Stop. We can stop the experiment and we can get at 2.6 ml. This 2.6 ml, we can stop the experiment. No drop is coming from this burette. We stop the experiment. Is it clear to you? The procedure?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So I just leave the class, okay? And you go for the test in between the 4 to 4:30. Any doubt, any question, right now you can ask me anything. I'm there also. You can ask me.
Ma'am, we have to write down the theory also in Google Classroom.
You have to write down in the Google Classroom. No, not required theory.
Only just a procedure, observation, and calculation.
But theory, I am telling you in this purpose because theory is so important when you write down for your practical exam. If it is not virtually, otherwise it is not virtual lab, it is physical lab is possible. So that is why I am telling you. You make your a simple copy of for the lab. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So any doubt, any question, you can ask me.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.